Love this for my daughter's room. It's exactly what she wanted. Easy to set up and look amazing in my daughter room. Need to make sure you have room / we put it up and had to move it because it was hitting the wall. Our fault is perfect. Super comfortable and sturdy. Love that it came with all of the hardware I needed. Love this chair. We ordered two, the top strap on one of them doesn't stay in place as well as the other and sometimes needs to be readjusted. Not a big deal, it may be that we have it hung at a slight angle as we have them on a tree branch. They are so comfy and relaxing to hang out in. Got it for my 10-year-old daughter's room and she absolutely loves it. We hung it from a patio and now I've actually hung it up inside. It's really easy to assemble, make sure you find a good stud or hang from a very strong area. I wouldn't recommend just the ceiling, it'd nail up for 2x4 so if you're not in a sturdy spot you won't mess it up. My package didn't come with instructions. So be logical. No damage from changing locations to see what worked. Now, it's a standard rope hammock so not necessarily the coziest but is actually really nice to swing and read in. I found it generally a good value and a cute addition to our hippy-dippy home. Love this on the front porch. Bought one for each of my daughter's bedrooms. They love them. But as I quote Patio watcher hammock chair hanging rope swing seat with 2 cushions and hardware kits. We did not receive cushions for any of this years. I just set this up in my teen's room and she is in love. Hopefully it stays sturdy for years to come. Click link in description for more reviews.